Hello dear students, our next topic is the next intermediate, reactive intermediate, that is carbanion. Now carbanions, they are exactly opposite of carbocation or carbonium ion, because here in carbanion carbon carries negative charge, means in this species carbon is rich of electron. So whenever carbon carries negative charge, it is called as a carbanion. Now how this carbanion is formed? So carbanion is generally formed by heterolytic fission of carbon hydrogen bond. So you can see here is the reaction where carbon and hydrogen bond cleavage takes place in presence of base. So being carbon as electronegative as compared to hydrogen, carbon carries both the pair of electron towards itself, and therefore it carries negative charge, and we get the carbanion. Now carbanion is a stable ion, and so just we see the stability of carbanion ion. Now here in first case allyl carbanion ion is there. Whenever there is a CH double bond CH2 group is attached, it is called as a allyl group, and carbon carries negative charge, and therefore this species, the first one, it is called as a allyl carbanion ion. And as per the rule of resonance, whenever any structure or compound is having more than one structure, then or more and more structures, so it is more and more stable. Here the negative charge gets stabilized or form a delocalization of negative charge takes place here, and we get more than one structure, and this structure is stable structure. The second example is of benzyl carbanion, where carbon again carries negative charge, and here delocalization of electron takes place, so we get different structures, resonating structures of the benzyl, and benzyl carbanion is therefore stable compound. Now in previous case, in case of carbonium ion where carbon carries positive charge, we said that whenever tertiary carbonium ion is there, it is more stable, because that alkyl group which is attached to it is giving electron to that carbon, and therefore that carbon which carries positive charge was where is going to get stability. But in case of this carbanion, as carbon already carries negative charge, suppose any group which is donating electron to carbon, it make that carbon more and more unstable, because it is already rich of electron. So if any group is present like NO2 or CN group or COOH group, these are the groups which are electron withdrawing. Suppose these kind of groups are present on carbanion ion, then what happened? It make that carbanion more stable, because it is attracting electron towards itself, and therefore that negative charge is now going to be a neutral one, and that's why the stability of that carbon carries negative charge increases if electron withdrawing groups are present. But suppose we are taking example again, carbanion is also of three kind: tertiary carbanion, secondary carbanium, and primary carbanion. So out of these three carbanion ions, suppose we are taking example of tertiary. So in case of tertiary carbanion ion, the carbon with negative charge is now attached with 3 methyl group, 3 CH3 group, and 3 alkyl groups. They are electron donating, and therefore more and more electrons are donated towards carbon, and already carbon is rich of electron, it is having more electrons with it. And suppose any group like alkyl group is giving electron again, so it make it unstable. So tertiary carbanion is least stable. If we are taking example of secondary carbanion, then in that case two CH3 groups are there which are going to give electrons to carbon, so it is also quite unstable. In case of primary carbanion, now only one group is there, that is one alkyl group is there, which is going to give electrons to carbon. Therefore if we are considering, the primary one is more stable as compared to secondary carbanion as compared to tertiary one. And the most stable is the methyl carbanion ion, because in that case carbon which carries negative charge is having all hydrogen atoms, and that's why not any electron donating group is present here, and therefore the methyl carbanion is the most stable here. Now as we are saying it is a reactive intermediate, means this carbanion of course carried out reactions. So which reactions are carried out by this carbanion ion? Two kind of reactions are there. One is addition reaction and second one is substitution reaction. Let's see one by one. So addition reaction, now you can see here it is many addition reactions are carried out by this carbanion ion, or carbanion ion is formed as intermediate in these reactions like aldol condensation or benzoin condensation. Now addition reaction means we must need a multiple bond in our reactant. So in that, in first case you can see here acetaldehyde is there, where carbon double bond O, means CO bond is there, multiple bond is there. When in presence of base, what happened, the CH3 or hydrogen atom from that CH3 get released here, it attach with OH minus and form water molecule, and at the same time the carbon becomes negatively charged, and that carbon we call it as a, that compound, that species is called as a carbanion ion. Now this carbanion ion now again react with another molecule of acetaldehyde, and we get the aldol as a final product. So this is the addition reaction carried out by carbanion ion. And the next one is substitution reaction. Simple reaction is there. Substitution, as we know, in substitution reaction one atom get substituted by another one. So here we are having acetoacetic ester, and when it reacts in presence of base, what happened, that carbon hydrogen bond cleavage takes place, and carbon now carries negative charge, and it is called as a carbanion. It again react with CH3Br, methyl bromide, and here that negative charge form a bond with CH3, and we get monomethyl acetoacetic ester. So these are the two reactions carried out by the carbanion.